Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I am Thomas Etschel and today I'm gonna show you a really cool demand gen hack. Normally I don't use the word hack because I think it's exaggerating, but in this case it's really a hack because we are tricking out Google. What I show you today is that on demand gen campaigns, if you use feed-based demand gen campaigns, meaning you have a demand gen campaign with a product feed, you can only add image product ads, video product ads, or product only ads, but you cannot use carousel ads. Carousel ads can only be used for demand gen campaigns that don't have a feed, right? So what we are going to do today is I show you how you can add a carousel even on your demand gen feed campaign. For that, I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna guide you through. So here is my screen, and on the official Google Ads page, it says that you cannot use carousel ads for demand gen campaigns with product feed. But I'm gonna change that for you. So all we need is one demand gen campaign for ecom. As you can see, if I go inside the campaign, it's just a test campaign. I create a new ad, then you can see here that we have image, product, videos, and product only ads, but we don't have any carousel ad. And if we look at a demand gen lead gen ad, then you can see here that we have single image, video, and carousel ad. And this carousel ad, it's not possible to create via the Google Ads interface in a demand gen campaign with feed. But here's the thing, what you can do, or what the hack is all about. So once we go back to our campaigns here, so my goal is to get from the lead gen, the carousel, into the demand gen ecom. So what I have to do, I first go to my lead gen campaign here on ads, and you can see here is the demand gen carousel ads. Right now it's under review because I just created it for you. So I do edit, copy. Now I go to my other campaign. So now I go to my lead gen campaign here. I click here, go on ads. As you can see here, I have, for example, a product ad. And what I do now is go here, and you have like a symbol here that says paste, right? So I paste it here. So my demand gen ecom ad. And then I say done. Now opens the copy paste editor. You have paste one ad into one ad group. I say yes, I want to paste it. It normally needs a couple of seconds, and then now we have it inside. Perfect. We take carousel from demand gen ad. Now we go back to our demand gen campaigns on the ecom. Now I go to ads, and as you can see here, I have a carousel ad. Okay, let's check inside the campaign, and then we see here we have a carousel ad. I just put like some images from randomly here inside, but we finally have a carousel showing on our ecom ad. And the cool thing is, this is now the carousel. You can also say, okay, I want to duplicate, so I want to add more carousels. And there you go, we just tricked Google Ads system. Yes, I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more, then you have to click and subscribe on my channel. I normally post a lot on LinkedIn. There I have around 60,000 followers. So yeah, if you want to stay updated with news and insights, then you obviously should follow me there too. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you liked it and if you want more videos like this. Ciao, ciao.